Hello everyone! Today I'm taking you on the beach and we are going to have a great cardio workout. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you very much. Let's go. Inhale and exhale. Deep breathing. Inhale, exhale, and last one and release. Position yourself, bend your knees. Sway. Right, left, push those hips side to side at the hands. Hands up. Make a circle with your hips. Keep your upper body still. Reverse the other side. Twist, make a figure 8. Go in the corners. Switch hands. There you go. Scoop to the front. Hands out. Up. And let's go side to side. Right, left, right, left. There you go. Make a circle with your hips. Reverse. Twist, figure 8. Scoop to the front. Add the hands. You're doing great. Squeeze. Side to side. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Inhale up. Exhale down. And release. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And last one. Very good. Let's get started with our basics. Tamao. The side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stay. To the front. Back. Front and back. To the side, back, switch, switch, 1, 2, et, back, switch side, front and back, front and back. There you go. Stay here. Make a circle with your hips. Ami. Switch. Switch again. Awesome. One last time. Twist. Varu figure 8. Go to the side. One, 2, 3, 4, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and go. Farapu, fast circle with your hips. Let's go. Roll, 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 switch. Roll, 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 the other side. Go, go, go. And one last time, roll fast. And there you go. Very good. Well done on your class today. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and come learn more with me online at TahitianDanceFitness.com.